Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Normandy, a mansion with subdued elegance and its indoor swimming pool. Lauranne Elise Schmitt redesigned this 19th century residence nestled in greenery, warming it with a contemporary and colorful style, like a small castle. Built on 2 floors and boasting 500 square meters, the property was ultimately offered as a large guest house, a small hotel, capable of accommodating around 20 people. Guided by the spirit of a welcoming family villa, the interior designer worked on a harmony that blends modernity with the charm of the old, without falling into the cliché of the country house, toiles de joie and excessive woodwork. The owners are city dwellers who live in London, with a sophisticated, urban life, she recalls. So I tried to create an atmosphere that wasn't too rural, but which could, on the contrary, also suit a townhouse.